Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for anyone who loves a bit of tang and crunch in their snacks.
We're talking about the Old South pickled okra, renowned for its crisp freshness and vibrant flavor. If you're a fan of pickled veggies or just looking to spice up your pantry, stick around because this might be your next favorite. Let's start with what makes this product stand out. The Old South pickled okra comes in a generous 64-ounce glass jar, packed with hand-picked okra that's been pickled to perfection. It's not just any okra. It's crisp, it's spicy, and it's bursting with flavor. Whether you're hosting a party, planning a picnic, or just looking for a tasty snack, this is a great choice.
Here's why this product caught our attention.
Each piece of okra is carefully selected to ensure top-notch quality. The pickling process ensures that every bite delivers that satisfying crunch along with a kick of spice.
Plus, it's gluten-free and kosher, making it suitable for various dietary preferences. Now, let's talk about the taste.
As soon as you pop open the jar, you're greeted with a delightful aroma that promises a flavorful experience. The okra itself is firm yet tender, soaking up all the zesty goodness of the pickling solution. The balance of tanginess and spice is just right, making it addictive from the first bite. Practicality-wise, the 64-ounce jar means you get plenty of servings per purchase, making it economical for families or larger gatherings. The jar is sturdy and seals well to maintain freshness, ensuring that each piece of okra retains its crispness until the last one. Beyond snacking straight from the jar, Old South pickled okra is versatile.
You can add it to charcuterie boards for a gourmet touch, chop it up to add a zing to salads,
or even pair it with your favorite cheeses for a sophisticated appetizer. The possibilities are endless. To wrap it up, the Old South pickled okra is a standout product in the realm of pickled vegetables. Its quality, flavor, and versatility make it a must-have for anyone who appreciates good food with a bit of Southern charm. Whether you're a longtime fan of pickled okra or trying it for the first time, this jar won't disappoint.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
If you've tried Old South pickled okra or have any questions about it, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this.
Until next time, happy snacking!